Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about Q.com, and I'm going to bring it up in a moment. And Q.com basically is an amazing service that basically will add posts to your Facebook, to your Twitter, to other accounts like that. Our only real focus is Facebook, but if you decide to set up a Twitter or the alternatives that they offer, that's great. But the point is that for free, they will put two Bitcoin related or anything related posts for free on there. And you can always upgrade. They've got different packages all the way up to $30 per month. But what this means is that your Facebook page will have that value that's so important. By giving value every day with no strings attached, you're showing that you care. So in this previous example, we've driven people from Argentina, and they're going to see two posts a day. So every couple of days, I'm going to go in and I'm manually going to make an offer to them. Or if I wanted to, I could use I could use something like later.com or very many similar services to pre-post myself paid promotional adverts, because I've solved the problem of free content, value content with Q.com. And now you can add content with later pre-posted for weeks or months ahead. I think their starting plan is $7 a month, and you can add images, not videos. And you can focus on just having every 2 days. So 1 day skipped, 1 day promotional, 1 day skipped, 1 day promotional. And if this makes sense to you now, you can spend the time, or you can hire somebody on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com to pre-populate for the rest of the year, or for the next year and a half, promotional ads. So when we move further later on into this project, and you'll see that there's multiple types of Bitcoin alternative currency things that you can talk about. But what you want to do is you want to have the ability to automate or at least control what's happening. So Q.com solves the initial problem of quality content every day, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. And my advice to you is, which is probably what I'm going to do within a matter of days or weeks, is move up to the later plans where I'm paying Q to have more than two a day. Because how it works with Facebook is that people are in different world countries. So some people wake up at 9 a.m. UK time, but some other people wake up at 11 o'clock UK time or US time. Some wake up at 1 o'clock, some wake up at 3 o'clock. It's a global world. So we're not dealing with a local product selling, some powder or health shake that I'm using at the moment locally that I'm going to buy in the United Kingdom. I'm going to I'm offering Bitcoin to the world in different forms, and it's the same with you. So let's get cracking. Let me show you Q, and it will make sense. Okay, so we have the email address. So we just want to make sure that we grab that. Boom, so I've copied that. And we're going to head over to Q, and I probably have to log out of my own Q account when we log in, because I'm talking about digital marketing, social media here, as that's my main profession. I'm not logged in. Okay, so sign up. So here I'm going to put in the email address that I've created, and I'm going to give it a login details, and it's as simple as that. So then next I need to use Buffer now, or HubSpot. HubSpot's more expensive, but you head over to Buffer, and I need to go to Buffer to log out. I think I'm logged in on that account. Yep, so I'm logged in on my account. So I need to make sure that I'm logged out. So sign out. And there we go. So I head back to here and I'll probably refresh the page. And Buffer will load, and I'm going to choose to sign up with my email. Here I have to go to Buffer first because I've already signed up via my Facebook. So I'm going to sign up for free. It's buffer.com, and I'm going to put in this link there and the password. I'm going to sign up. Okay, so that is me signed up for Buffer. So now I'm going to head back and I'm going to refresh the page, and this should now allow access. So if you'd never used Buffer before, Q before, you wouldn't have gone through this experience. I just was logged in already, which is my mistake. But the point is you can now allow access. Congratulations, you're in, and this gives you for a limited period of time access to Buffer, and after that there is a monthly fee, but it's very minimal, and some of the plans are, I believe, are free as well. So press next. So select which social profiles. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to focus on Facebook. So here I just needed to confirm my my email address. I press page, connect, and it's going to go into my choices. There we go, right at the top. Looks like I still need to use my existing Buffer account because I've already connected via my Facebook, which I didn't realize. But the point is that you're now connected. But regardless, it's a very simple process. So I head back to Q, and hopefully now as I refresh, it will load. There we go, it's loaded. I'm going to make that live, and that is it, nearly. So this is where the magic happens with Q. And I didn't get a chance to explain it, but Q are a great company that are looking at your profiles of what you want to talk about. So here I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and the blockchain. So here I'm trying to break it down. Let's see. Let's try crypto currencies. Nothing comes up that, so it's such a new thing. Let's just try Bitcoin for now. Okay, so it's added that. You've chosen that. For now, we're going to do that. You can up to 5 available for selection on the free plan, which is amazing. But for now, we just want something generic. You get the idea. Press next. And I believe the number per day is 2. Yes. So automatically they will start to put really high quality content on there. I mean, the quality of the Q content is superb. I love actually reading it. So you're actually going to end up with content that you could possibly curate. Curate basically means you'll read that article that they've posted and go, hey, I can record a video or a screen share, and I can create even more detailed value, or at least explain it in video format, or explain it in a different way. So I'm going to head back, press review, and now Bitcoin and blockchain content will be added to my buffer, which is where the content is sent to, and then automatically each day through buffer it's sent to my Facebook page that I created earlier. And because I've created a new account, I just need to complete this, and boom. Now I may have multiple accounts with Q, but the reason I do that is because I want to separate out, and so I might have one account for Bitcoin, I may have one for digital media, and I may be spending $7 a month with Q, or $0 with Q initially on one account as I'm testing it, just like we're doing right now, and then we can continue to upgrade from there. So that's all set up, and it takes about 24 hours for the first to kick in. But essentially, you have an amazing way to just have great content, as you can see here, through every day to my Facebook All Currency, and you can add more. You can add more social profiles, so you could go in and you could create ones for other social media as well. And I believe that it covers Twitter and Pinterest and other stuff like that. I just can't remember. It's such a great thing because you set it and you literally forget it. So let's log out, and I'll just show you the home page of this. Okay, so basically Q is hand curated content suggestions for social media, and it sets it up automatically for you because you set your interests, you choose how many to for free for now via Buffer or HubSpot, and you can set it automatic or manual, and it will go out automatic on the free plan, and just great content is released, and it solves this problem for you. And if you want to upgrade, then you've got the different options here. You've got the 0 free forever plan, which is what I'm on, and then you may want to get not just 2 suggestions per day but 6, and you can upgrade your profiles as well, and you can go all the way up to 15 social profiles, up to 6 content suggestions with added benefits each day. So Q is just a great way to solve that problem of just showing reality with regards to your Facebook page, that you have great content on there and that you're giving value, and that's so important. So Q is worth the value of this course alone. So immediately implement that. It's completely free to try it, and I'll see you on the next video.